Hi everyone, my name is Juan Rivera and today my presentation is going to be about fossils, and let's get started. How can we use the fossils in your example as a marker for time? Well, fossils are records of animal or plant life that used to be around. Fossils explain what life was like millions of years ago. It also shows that it takes time for evolution to happen. You see in this picture that it shows that the different type of fossils and animal life. So it shows that from the bottom it was a tiny little specimen right here, and it shows that that specimen evolved into a different type of animal, and over time it just kept going and going, and eventually it went to land and evolved into big dinosaurs and then the big extinction. It just shows that um, over time, where place and time that events will occur where animal and plant life evolves and a current will die. In the human record, it shows that we came from something else. We didn't just appear, and we're related to, as they say, chimpanzees. And there's different types of humans. It's just that, it's with fossil record, it just shows that we came from something else. How do fossils show events on Earth and where they take place? Well, it shows on the left picture. I chose it because it shows that it looks like they're lizards and they're hunting animal and other animal life. And over time, it shows that it takes a long time for animals in the water to evolve and go into land mammals. So it just shows that the time and place it takes a while. And here's my works cited.